morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to another daily crypto tech review of EOS, Ethereum and Ripple. It's 9th of June. Looking at the hourly chart, it's been a particularly choppy start to the day for EOS. Saw EOS rise through to 2.80 levels before hitting reverse. The reversal saw EOS fall through the pivot at 278.50 and through the first major support level that sits at 275.42. We're going to need to see EOS break back through that pivot at 278.50 to bring that first major resistance level into play that sits at 2.8163. Support's from the broader market is going to be needed, however, for EOS to break back through to 2.81 levels. Looking at the daily trends, we've seen that downward trend return, so we're going to need to see EOS avoid this sub 224 levels to support this continued upward momentum. This downward trend through the first major support level, EOS is going to need to avoid a reversal back through to sub 270s to support an upward swing, else we can expect this downward trend to resume in the coming days. Shifting across to Ethereum against the dollar, we saw a similar trend this morning in the first hour. Ethereum rallied to a morning high, 249.99, breaking through the first major resistance level at 249.41, capped at the upside of resistance at 250. That was the momentum up from the final hour rally from the day before. We then saw Ethereum slide through the first major support level to sub 240s before finding support. We're going to need to see Ethereum move back through the pivot at 245.10 to support this run back through the morning high to test the first major resistance level at 249.41 again. Failure to break back through the pivot could see that downward trend continue and bring sub 240s back into play. We'd expect sub 238 to be avoided, however. Second major support level sits at 237.96. Looking at the daily, we're seeing a key moment at the moment for the market. We're going to need to see Ethereum break back through that first major support level to maintain this upward momentum and break out from resistance at 250 to bring that 23.6 fib at 257 into play and maintain. Failure could see this continued downward trend that would bring that key support level at sub 180s into play. So this is a key area at the moment for Ethereum. Moving across to Ripple's XRP, again we've seen Ripple rally to an early morning high 250.41. That's come up short of the first major resistance level, 2056. We then saw Ripple slide back to sub 20 levels. The reversal saw Ripple fall through the first major support level at 2022 and the second major support level at 2001. Moving back through to 20 levels, we're going to need to see Ripple break back through the morning high to bring the first major resistance level into play. That's 2056. Failure to break back through the morning high, we could see that reversal return, a fall through to sub 2030 levels would bring the first major support level back at 2022 into play. We'd expect Ripple to avoid another return to sub 20s, however, barring extended sell-off. Looking at the daily candlesticks, key area here now, we're going to need to see Ripple avoid this kind of area at sub 19 levels that would then bring that key support level at 17430 into play. A return through the morning high would bring this upward momentum back into play. Ripple would need to break back through to 23 levels, however, to maintain this upward momentum. Expect plenty of resistance on the way through to 23. Shifting across to Bitcoin, just looking at Bitcoin as an indicator, I continue to see this 9,900 level a key for the broader market. Bitcoin came up short this morning at 9,876. We're going to need to see a breakout from 9,900, however, to support a broader market rally and maintain that upward momentum.